If all your low poly trees, rocks, or Minecraft style objects are facing the same way, your scene can look a little too perfect and a lot less natural. In this video, I'm going to show you how to randomize object rotation in just 2 clicks, and I'll also show you a quick bonus trick to make everything look even more organic. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast Blender tips. Let's jump in. First, make sure you're in object mode. This is important because the Randomize Transform tool works on whole objects, not on mesh parts. Now select all the objects you want to randomize. This could be a row of trees, scattered rocks, fence posts, props, or anything else that looks repetitive. You can box select them, shift click them, or press A if you want to select everything in the scene. Once your objects are selected, go up to the top menu and click Object. Then hover over Transform and choose Randomize Transform. This is the tool that instantly adds variation to your selected objects, which is perfect when you want your scene to feel more natural and less cloned. After you click it, look in the bottom left corner of Blender. A small settings panel will appear there right after the operation. This panel is where you can control exactly what gets randomized. For the most common setup, focus on the rotation Z value and increase it to 360 degrees. That gives each object a full range of random rotation around the vertical axis, which is usually all you need for things like trees, rocks, grass clumps, or other scattered assets. As soon as you set that value, you'll see the objects rotate differently from one another, and the whole area will immediately feel much more natural. Instead of every tree pointing the exact same direction, each one will have its own unique orientation. That small change can make a huge difference in how believable your environment looks. And here's the bonus tip. While you're in that same Randomize Transform panel, you can also slightly adjust the scale values to make the scene feel even more realistic. You do not want to go too extreme here. Just a small variation is enough. Tiny changes in scale can help break up repetition and make it look like the objects were placed by nature instead of copied and pasted. For example, if you're working with rocks, some can be a little bigger, some a little smaller. If you're using trees, a subtle scale difference can make a forest look much more believable. The key is to keep the changes subtle so everything still feels consistent with the style of your scene. So the full workflow is simple. Go to Object Mode, select your objects, click Object, then Transform, then Randomize Transform, and set rotations to 360 degrees. If you want extra realism, make small scale adjustments too. That's it. In just a couple of clicks, you can completely remove that copy-paste look from your scene. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Blender tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other quick Blender tricks you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.